let's have a look of this. There's this hole there. The next one takes air in, makes it go through the boat, and the air comes out from the pad. The bottom is a 26-degree sweep with a pretty wide pad. Here you can see the water pickup for the ballast tank. It lowers from here and takes water to the boat tank. Here on the left side you can see the pickup for the engine. Water goes up here and comes to the lower unit. It's just additional. I have the original water pickups too on the engine, but this way I can raise the engine even more. This is Bob's machine 4-inch setback engine lift. After the first summer I added this here because I thought the boat was too hard to control. It made the boat calmer. It didn't pick up the bow so much that I would have been satisfied. So at the third summer I added still more setback here. It has the C-Star Pro steering cylinder, which I have not been very pleased of because it has always felt that there's some slack in it, but this winter I changed the end plates and there's now custom gaskets and seals. I'm missing the bucket seats now. They are at my home for winter. Same for the electronics. First things I did, I cut this off and placed the throttle lower and on the side because it was on the way when using the wheel. Here you can see the ballast intake. Here is a custom expansion tank for the steering because there was always bubbles coming out and this made it self-bleed better. Here is the switch for the magnetic valve that lets the water flow out. Under this custom hatch you can find the magnetic valve and also the air hoses that lubricate the pad. Originally this hatch was a plastic one that didn't take the load of the walking. Now you can just jump on it. At the bow there's the ballast tank. This one is the drain hose for the ballast tank that goes to the magnetic valve. I took it off after 3 seasons because I wanted more bow lift. And on the sides there comes the air hoses for the back lubrication. Here's my foot throttle and my footrest. After 2 seasons I placed additional 50-liter tank here. It laid on the bottom and was secured by this hole, and I have had a fuel pump delivering fuel from the boat tank. Having more weight on the back of the boat made the boat ride better, so I later made a decision to completely remove the front tank and place one big on the back. Now it doesn't matter if I have 10 liters or 100 liters here, the boat feels the same. On this side I have the anchor and toolbox, they just fit in there, nothing else. On this side I have the fuel filter and battery.